In Creo Parametric 8.0, feature dashboards have been enhanced to improve the ease of learning and usability when working with Creo Parametric features. By default, the most important dashboard options panel, typically the references or placement panel, is automatically expanded when entering the feature definition workflow. The layout and visual appearance of control elements in the dashboard are improved to present feature options with more clarity. More verbose labels have been added to UI controls in order to ease learning and understanding. You can now also detach multiple options panels from the dashboard, drag them to a preferred position on the screen, snap them to borders of the graphics area, and display them simultaneously. This can be beneficial for complex features that provide a rich set of options or present several additional images or a graphical options panel in addition to other options. After you complete a feature, the options panel detached position is remembered and automatically restored the next time you create or define the feature again. Previously, you couldn't open multiple options panels at the same time. When docked to the borders of the graphics area, the panels will follow the border position, for example when switching to full screen mode. A new setting is available to control the behavior of the primary options panel. It is named Automatically Open Important Panels and is part of the Windows settings within the Creo Parametric options. The configured behavior is stored in the Creo Parametric Customization.ui file.